Click on the link below to see price. ROCKPALS 1300 watts portable power station. If you're looking for a portable power station for camping, you may be wondering if the ROCKPALS portable power station 1300 watt is a good choice. Keep watching to learn more about the features, pricing, and where to buy this product. The best way to get one of these is to buy it online. The ROCKPALS portable power station 1300 watts is an excellent choice for those who need a backup power source while on the go. The power station can accommodate a mini refrigerator, LCD television, laptop, fans, and even a CPAP machine, making it an excellent choice for camping or emergencies. It's lightweight and compact, but has a sturdy build. The unit includes an AC adapter and car charger cable, as well as a user's guide. The ROCKPALS portable power station 1300 watts is able to charge up to 10 devices at once. Its 2 AC outlets and 3 DC outlets provide enough power to run all your appliances and electronic devices. It has a BMS battery management system, which maximizes battery utilization. It also includes multiple protection systems for your devices and the unit itself. It also includes a USB port and carport, and has a PD output, which is ideal for charging cell phones and other devices. You can get the ROCKPALS portable power station 1300 watt before June 25th at a good price. This product is only available for distributors who can buy them at this price. Customers who are interested in this product can go to Amazon.com to purchase it. The price is worth it for a number of reasons. The ROCKPALS portable power station is a great buy if you're looking to get away from the city. Its 24 months warranty and professional customer service are an added bonus. You can use this power source on camping, outdoor adventure, or even in case of emergency. It weighs just 39 pounds and comes with a car charger cable. It's perfect for outdoor use. The ROCKPALS portable power station is compatible with many appliances. Its 110 volts AC input is universally compatible, and it can also be charged from a ROCKPALS solar panel. This model also comes with a USB cable, a 3-foot cable, a DC to SIG socket adapter, and a user guide. Its durability is apparent by the fact that it has a handle that slides out from the top and rubber feet to protect against slipping. Click on the link below to see price.